If you're looking for a cleaner way of cooking, a kitchen tool so advanced, a frying pan so versatile, it's time to experience the all-new Sahara Slate, an evolution in frying pan technology. You'll wonder why you struggled with any other pan. An innovation so good, it's a new way of looking at non-stick cooking. With ordinary pans, food easily sticks and burns to the base, destroying the flavour and making cleanup difficult. But this new non-stick, no mess, no stress innovation guarantees a clean slate every time you cook. Unlike anything you've ever seen before, the secret is in the tough and durable die-cast pattern surface. These slate-like ridges let air flow around the food for minimal contact and almost zero stick. Add the superior performance of our trusted German Grevlon non-stick coating and you have the best pan ever. Cooking and cleaning doesn't need to be a chore. Oven safe and so versatile, make delicious meals the quick and easy way. Sahara Slate cooks the flakiest of fish to the stickiest of sauces, guaranteeing no mess and no stress. It's a whole new way of looking at non-stick cooking. Don't spend over $200 for one pan of this quality. Today you won't pay anything like that.